So apparently Saggers Road is up here, so it's coming off Station Road onto it. Not 100% sure if there's a throughway or whether I'm hitting this from the wrong end. But anyway, this is UCR 2235. According to Smart Trail, and we'll see what we get. Whee! Steamy windows. Turn the heated windscreen on, otherwise you'll see nothing. We'll have a look and see what it is. No idea what the condition is. I can't even see needing to change modes here at all. And off we go. Does appear to be some kind of open business there. Now whether we'll meet a barrier or what, I'm not quite sure. Sat-nav will probably chime in shortly that we've reached the destination because it's getting close to its marker. Oh, okay, there's vehicles here. Now, I have no bloody idea. Deandale Farm, which way it goes through. Well, it's definitely not that way because that's a barrier for sure. Right, so Saggers Road's there, so I have come at it at the wrong end. Brilliant. I forgot with the old Land Rover sat-nav, you have to push up on the screen for the direction that you want to get to. Oh, for crying out loud. Right, okay, I'll see if I can find a way around to the other side of it and see if we can tackle it from that side. But at least we know, coming in from Station Road side, you're not at the right end because you meet this, and I'm not going to try and get it through there. Right. Right, we're at the other end of Saggers Road now. So we will see what we can see. So it looks more tarmac based, this. Again, UCR 2235, I think I said in the early video clip, before the sat-nav sent me the wrong way. Anyway, we'll see what we get at this end. And obviously it's a populated area, houses, vehicles. It may change into a lane further down, but we shall see. More tarmac based again, by the look of it. Might narrow up a little bit down here. Vehicles except for access. Okay, we'll see about that. Grass, gravel, snow. Not that I think we'll really need it, but why not? So it's running parallel with the new estate. More interesting than that last one. When you've got something like this at the front or at the back of your housing estate, it's just a easy place for people to disappear if they come in and nick stuff. A little bit pitted on the sides, but nothing really to worry about. It's more gravel, hard top and some potholes, but what road in the UK doesn't have potholes at the moment? This one might be a little bit deep, but we'll see. Nothing major. I think we might be coming up to the barriers that we were at before, or not too far off. nice easy crawl. Now this Freelander 2 that I'm in, for those who may be interested, it's a 2011 manual 6-speed TD4, no modifications to it in respects of lift kits or all-terrain tyres. It's just on all-season tyres at the minute. That will be changed in the future, but it is pretty much standard for the most part, other than the crap you can see in view of the camera that I put inside. And there we are, at the barrier. So, I don't know, not bad. It's one to tick off. Obviously there's a gate there. That track that's to the right leads off, and I think it's more of a footpath. It narrows up and gets scratchy. I don't think it's really meant for vehicles, so obviously I'm not going to go down there and encroach. Well, yeah, that's Sagas Lane, or Sagas Road should I say, UCR 2235. We'll head back down, let the video record as well, why not? We'll back it out. I might even take a photo. Got the stills camera with us somewhere. That'll be the parking sensor. I think it was a bush, make sure it's not a rock or something. Well, at least I've ticked them off. Nothing challenging really in particular. You could probably get a normal car down here, but if you were hooning it, you'd definitely damage it. Get out here and take a picture whilst I'm out the way of the nettles. Back in a second. That's the parking sensor seeing me. Photos taken. Just let the jogger go past. But, I might cut this bit of the video, but me faffing with the camera. Right, we'll let down. Like I said, there's not that. I'll open the window so you can hear the lane a bit. Not that many lanes near me in Stockport, but we'll head further afield another day. So one thing, if you do come and have a look at this, some of the potholes, they're not super deep, but I don't know, they could have jagged edges I suppose, so just watch your placement of your tyres on the edges of them. So, but nothing too challenging really. Field there to the right. Yeah, definitely more Thank you. Pop it back into road mode. There we go. Get the windows up. So again, UCR 2235. A bit more interesting. It's an outing for a couple of hours. I thought I'd come out and have a look at some. What I'll do going forward, I'll probably experiment with mounting the camera external to the vehicle on some. Didn't bother today because of the rain. It's been on and off. It just get water droplets all over the lens. And we'll see what we can find lane wise. There are a couple of others around my area, but they're not very long or substantial, I don't think. Oh, nice blue Defender there. But we'll see what we get. If you like these videos, let me know. If you'd like to see some others done local to where I am that you maybe wanted to have a look at. So I'm based around Stockport, so Handforth, Wilmslow, Macclesfield Point and those areas. Obviously the Buxton and the Peaks, that should have some. Let me know, and I will have a look. But thanks for watching, and we'll be back again with some more.